Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nano Ilan. Today I am going to start basic level Vedic mathematics tutorial video series. In today's video, I'll talk about Introduction to Vedic Mathematics, why it is called Vedic, who can learn this course, advantages of learning Vedic mathematics, and finally I'll close this video with the agenda of all the concepts that I am going to cover in this entire video series. For complete information, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. Introduction to Vedic Mathematics. Vedic mathematics is a collection of ancient tricks and techniques to execute arithmetic operations quickly and more efficiently. Vedic mathematics is the name given to the ancient system to the mathematics, a collection of techniques, sutras, methods to solve mathematical and arithmetic problems in an easy and efficient way, deals with Vedic mathematics. It consists of 16 sutras, which are formulae, and 13 sub-sutras, which are sub-formulae, which can be used for solving different problems involved in arithmetic, algebra, followed by geometry, calculus, and conics. It is rediscovered from the Vedas between the year 1911 and 1918 by Jagadguru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji. It is a form of mathematics that has been there in India from prehistoric time. Then why it is called Vedic? Vedic comes from Vedas, which means the fountainhead of all the knowledge. Also, the sources of all the sutras were found in the ancient Vedic texts. According to the Supreme Court of India, Vedic means time factor. Vedic mathematics is secular, which means anyone from anywhere in the world can practice it and take advantage of its results. Then who can learn Vedic mathematics? Students from grade 3 to 12 can learn this Vedic mathematics because grade 3 is the starting step for the students to grasp the mathematical calculations much faster, as they will be learning the basics in their school under conventional mathematics. The students who are writing competitive exams can take up this course. Also, parents and teachers who are teaching their children, and it is also very useful and helpful for our day-to-day mathematical calculations. Then what are the advantages of Vedic mathematics? It improves concentration, it helps to solve problem 10 to 15 times faster, it also reduces the burden, we can learn only the tables up to 9, it helps to gain ability to give one-line answer, it is a magical tool to reduce scratch work and finger counting, time can be saved to answer more questions, and finally the logical thinking process gets improved for the students. Finally, this is the agenda of all the concepts that I am going to cover in the entire video series. In this entire Vedic mathematics basic level tutorial series, I am going to cover complements, how to perform different additions and subtractions with base 10 to 80 and base 100 to 800, followed by special multiplications, then how to perform multiplications below base 10 to 80 and below base 100 to 800, also above base 10 to 80 and above base 100 to 800, followed by different division methods, special squares and magic squares. That's all for today's video. If you like my videos, make sure to share with your friends. Also, please make sure to visit and subscribe my channel. The channel link is provided in the description below. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.